So one of the types of watermarks that you can add inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic is a graphic watermark. So to do that, you need to go around onto the edit menu and then go to edit watermarks right here. Once you do that, the dialog box of watermark, that is the watermark editor, actually opens up right here. And over here by default, you can see that text is chosen right here with the text settings. But what I want is a graphic watermark. So I'm going to go ahead and shift to graphic just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that everything else changes. As you can see right here, the option right here gets disabled. And now what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window where I'm supposed to choose a graphics as a watermark right here. So now I'm simply going to go around and choose, let's say, my PNG file right here, YouTube logo, as my watermark right here. Once I go ahead and choose that out, you can see that this is the watermark. If I have a transparent watermark, then it'll be transparent as well. So you can see that it is on the bottom left hand side right here. And then what you can do is you can change around the opacity of the watermark right here and change around the size of the watermark as well. You can go ahead and fit it or fill it out entirely as well. But let me just go around and choose proportional right here. You can add in some inset right here so that you can change the position, and even go ahead and change around the anchor point right here, just like this, for the watermark as well on where you want to keep it. Apart from that, you can rotate out the watermark as well if it is not correctly oriented. And then what you can simply do is go ahead and save the current settings as a new preset. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, YouTube logo watermark. So I'm just going to say logo watermark right here, just like this, and then click on create. And what happens is that it gets saved as logo watermark. And whenever you export out images using this watermark setting, it'll actually export it out with the logo. So that is how you can add graphic watermark inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.